We wanted to showcase the Fluke smart lenses that are compatible with all of the Professional Series and Expert Series infrared cameras. We offer these lenses in 2x telephoto, which is what I have here with me today, as well as 4x telephoto, macro, and wide angle. With these lenses, there is no need for changes to firmware, and they're easily interchangeable between the different camera models. In order to showcase the 2x telephoto lens, I'd first like to show you what a camera picture looks like without any optional lenses on it. So if you look at the screen here, you can see this cup of water at regular zoom. Let's install the 2x telephoto lens onto this infrared camera. So in order to install the lens, find the white dot that's on the lens and the white dot that's on the actual camera and line the two up. So you place the lens inside and turn the lens clockwise, and you'll feel the click and the lens will be installed correctly. Now that we have the 2x telephoto lens installed, you can see the difference on the camera screen. It's much more zoomed in to the cup of water that we have. Once you've taken your image with the 2x telephoto lens, you'll want to turn off the camera before taking the lens off. To take the lens off, all you need to do is push and turn counterclockwise and then pull the lens out from the same spot that you put it in. To make sure that your lens stay in the best possible condition, be sure to store them with the cap and the plastic back cover in their appropriate case.